Good morning, children. So already you have learnt in the previous class how the child was remembering her childhood days, isn't it? When she just saw a child in the park walking with her with his grandparents, isn't it? So she started recalling her childhood days. So let us continue what will happen now. Let us see. So she has observed in childhood days, she has observed that father and mother used to do all the household work, wherein grandparents were not doing any work. And finally one day she could see her grandmother's voice had raised loud at her mother. So she guessed that grandmother is scolding her mother. We stopped it till there. Now we will continue. उस दिन जब मैं स्कूल से घर पहुंची तो मैं पूरी तरह पसीने से भीगी हुई थी। दादी मेरे लिए शरबत लेकर आई और प्यार से बोली, लो बेटा, आराम से बैठकर यह शरबत पी लो। बाद में उन्होंने मेरे लिए खाना परोसा। खाना खाते हुए मैंने उनसे पूछा, दादी माँ, अम्मा कहाँ है? आप आराम क्यों नहीं कर रही है? दादी माँ ने बताया कि अम्मा को बुखार है, वे सो रही है। शाम की चाय व रात का खाना भी उस दिन दादी ने ही बनाया। उन्होंने मुझसे कोई सहायता नहीं ली। उन्होंने मुझसे कहा, सुषमा बेटी, तुम बस अपनी पढ़ाई करो, यह सब काम मैं कर लूंगी। दादी माँ की यह बात मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी। रात को मैंने अम्मा को अपने मन की सारी बात बता दी। अम्मा ने प्यार से मेरा सिर सहलाते हुए कहा, अगर तुम कोई गलत काम करती हो तो मैं तुम्हें डांटती हूँ। इसी तरह से तुम्हारी दादी मेरी अम्मा जैसी है। मुझसे जब कोई गलती होती है तो वह मेरे भले के लिए ही मुझे डांटती है। दादा दादी घर के बुजुर्ग है। सारी जिंदगी उन्होंने हमारे लिए काम किया है। अब हमारा कर्तव्य है कि हम उनकी सेवा करें। So what happened here? उस दिन जब मैं स्कूल से घर पहुंची तो मैं पूरी तरह पसीने से भीगी हुई थी। So that day she is recalling her grandmother had shouted at her mother, isn't it? That day she is recalling, and when she is coming from the school, she is totally sweating. She is full of sweat. Her body is completely sweating. फिर उस दिन जब मैं स्कूल से घर पहुंची तो मैं पूरी तरह पसीने से भीगी हुई थी. So my full body was under sweat. I was sweating so much when I came from school to my house. On which day? On the day when grandmother had scolded my mother. दादी मेरे लिए शरबत लेकर आई और प्यार से बोली, लो बेटा, आराम से बैठकर यह शरबत पी लो. So that day when I came, we were full sweated. My grandmother came and she offered me juice. She said, okay, you take. Sharbat is here, juice. So she is saying, okay, you please drink this. You please drink this today. And that too, how? Sit comfortably, peacefully and drink this juice. See, she is saying, दादी मेरे लिए शरबत लेकर आई और प्यार से बोली, very loving way, she told me, लो बेटा, आराम से बैठकर यह शरबत पी लो. So take child, you please sit in one place and drink this शरबत. शरबत means juice. बाद में उन्होंने मेरे लिए खाना परोसा. So later on what did she do? She gave me even food to eat. खाना खाते हुए मैंने उनसे पूछा, दादी माँ, अम्मा कहाँ है? आप आराम क्यों नहीं कर रही हैं? So while having my food, I asked my grandmother, why grandma, why are you giving me everything today? Where is my mother? And why are you not taking rest today? Why are you working? Why are you not taking rest? Where is my mother? She is questioning the grandmother. दादी माँ ने बताया कि अम्मा को बुखार है, वे सो रही है. So what did my grandmother say to Sushma? Yes, today your mother is not well, she has fever, so she is taking rest, she is sleeping, she is taking rest, she is sleeping. शाम की चाय व रात का खाना भी उस दिन दादी ने ही बनाया. So what happened? Evening. Sham means evening. She made tea and even night dinner. Who prepared the day? The day everything was prepared by grandmother. Why? Because Sushma's mother was not well. She had fever, so she was sleeping. So the whole work was done by the grandmother on that particular day. So शाम की चाय व रात का खाना भी उस दिन दादी ने ही बनाया. So grandmother only prepared everything the day. उन्होंने मुझसे कोई सहायता नहीं ली. Grandmother has not taken my help at all for anything. So everything was done by grandmother alone. She never even asked me to help her. उन्होंने मुझसे कहा, सुषमा बेटी तुम बस अपनी पढ़ाई करो. She just told me, my grandmother told me, look child, you just take care of only your studies. Don't bother about anything. You take care of your studies. पढ़ाई करो. पढ़ाई में studies. यह सब काम मैं कर लूंगी. So all the work in the house I do myself. You don't have to bother about it, and you just take care of your studies. दादी माँ की यह बात मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. So when my grandmother said, you don't worry about other things, you just take care of your studies and you don't have to help me. When I just heard that, I was very happy. See how much care my grandmother is giving me, isn't it? She is taking so much of love. She is caring so much. So she was very happy. Sushma was very happy. रात को मैंने अम्मा को अपने मन की सारी बात बता दी. So night what did I do? I went to mother and I just explained to her everything, and she even asked why morning grandmother was shouting at her. अम्मा ने प्यार से मेरा सिर सहलाते हुए कहा. So what happened? My mother slowly she started patting on my head and she started saying, अगर तुम कोई गलत काम करती हो तो मैं तुम्हें डांटती हूँ. So what is it? What the mother is telling to Sushma? Yes. Suppose you do any mistake, what do I do? As a mother, I will really scold you, isn't it? To correct you. It's not scolding means it's nothing like that. I am correcting you. When you do mistake, I am correcting you. No? So that time what happens? Sometimes the voice will be raised. So that is what she is explaining. Mother is explaining to her daughter. अगर तुम कोई गलत काम करती हो तो मैं तुम्हें डांटती हूँ. So if you have done any mistake, I will definitely scold you. इसी तरह से तुम्हारी दादी मेरी अम्मा जैसी है. So just like that, even your grandmother is like my mother. Your grandmother is like my mother. So I am mother to you, isn't it? When you do mistake, I am scolding you. Just like that, when I do mistake, grandmother will scold me. It's only not scolding, it's correction. Correction of the mistake. इसी तरह से तुम्हारी दादी मेरी अम्मा जैसी है. मुझसे जब कोई गलती होती है तो वह मेरे भले के लिए ही मुझे डांटती है. So to rectify mistake, she scolds me. Scolds me means she is correcting me. So we should not feel bad. When elders correct us, we should not feel bad because we are doing some mistakes. So when we go on doing mistake, what happens? We are going in the wrong path, isn't it? So we should not go in the wrong path. We have to be corrected by somebody. So that is done by the grandmother at home. That's what she is explaining to her daughter. दादा दादी घर के बुजुर्ग है. So these grandparents are the elderly people at home and they have got lot of experience. So they have every right to correct when a mistake is taken place. So दादा दादी घर के बुजुर्ग है. They are the elderly people. सारी जिंदगी उन्होंने हमारे लिए काम किया है. So the whole life they have spent for our good. So they have spent all their life for our good. So they have spent all their life for our good. सारी जिंदगी उन्होंने हमारे लिए काम किया है. So they have worked for our purpose, for our sake. All the whole life they have worked for our sake. अब हमारा कर्तव्य है कि हम उनकी सेवा करें. So when they have done so much for us, now it is our duty. When their old days, what we have to do? We have to take care of our old elderly people. So she is explaining that to her daughter. Mother is explaining to her daughter. Once again I will read. Listen. उस दिन जब मैं स्कूल से घर पहुंची तो मैं पूरी तरह पसीने से भीगी हुई थी. दादी मेरे लिए शरबत लेकर आई और प्यार से बोली, लो बेटा, आराम से बैठकर यह शरबत पी लो. बाद में उन्होंने मेरे लिए खाना परोसा. खाना खाते हुए मैंने उनसे पूछा, दादी माँ, अम्मा कहाँ है? आप आराम क्यों नहीं कर रही है? दादी माँ ने बताया कि अम्मा को बुखार है, वे सो रही है. शाम की चाय व रात का खाना भी उस दिन दादी ने ही बनाया. उन्होंने मुझसे कोई सहायता नहीं ली. उन्होंने मुझसे कहा, सुषमा बेटी, तुम बस अपनी पढ़ाई करो, यह सब काम मैं कर लूंगी. दादी माँ की यह बात मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. रात को मैंने अम्मा को अपने मन की सारी बात बता दी. अम्मा ने प्यार से मेरा सिर सहलाते हुए कहा, अगर तुम कोई गलत काम करती हो तो मैं तुम्हें डांटती हूँ. इसी तरह से तुम्हारी दादी मेरी अम्मा जैसे है. मुझसे जब कोई गलती होती है तो वह मेरे भले के लिए ही मुझे डांटती है. दादा दादी घर के बुजुर्ग है. सारी जिंदगी उन्होंने हमारे लिए काम किया है. अब हमारा कर्तव्य है कि हम उनकी सेवा करो. So saying like that, mother is convincing her child. So we have to take care of our elders. She is saying we have to always take care of our elders. Okay. So what happens here? So the mother is saying about how we have to take care of our elders, isn't it? And then see now, अम्मा की बातें सुनकर मुझे अपनी सोच पर बहुत पछतावा हुआ. मैं सीधा दादी के कमरे में गई. दादी के पैरों में दर्द हो रहा था. वे करहा रही थी. मैं दादी के पास गई और बड़े प्यार से उनके पैरों की तेल से मालिश की. मेरी मालिश से उन्हें बहुत आराम मिला. उन्होंने प्यार से मुझे गले लगा लिया. मैं भी खुशी से दादी से लिपट गई और मेरी आंखों में खुशी के आंसू आ गए. उस दिन से मैं भी हर रोज सुबह दादा दादी के साथ पार्क में सैर के लिए जाने लगी. So what happened here? अम्मा की बातें सुनकर मुझे अपनी सोच पर बहुत पछतावा हुआ. Actually, morning she was very much angry on her grandmother, isn't it? Why grandmother is shouting at my mother? What work she has? Like that, she had felt it. This child had felt when grandmother has scolded her mother in the morning. So now, when she understood that it is only a correction, when we do mistake, our elders will correct us. So when she understood that, she felt very bad. So she repented. Paschava means she repented. See, Paschava means she repented for the thought what she had in the morning, because she was angry on grandmother, isn't it? Now she understood why grandmother has scolded her mother. So now she repented for that. मैं सीधा दादी के कमरे में गई. So immediately what did I do? When I heard about all these things and when I understood and when I realized, oh, this is what is happening, I immediately what did I do? I went to my grandmother's room. See, मैं सीधा दादी के कमरे में गई. दादी के पैरों में दर्द हो रहा था. So actually what happened? That day mother was not well. So grandmother has done all the work, isn't it? Now her legs started paining. So elderly lady, isn't it? So her legs started paining. वे करहा रही थी means she started groaning, means making that sound. Yes, you'll do that when you get some pain. Like that she started groaning with pain. मैं दादी के पास गई और बड़े प्यार से उनके पैरों की तेल से मालिश की. So what did I do? Because I could make her how much pain she has got. So she was making that groaning sound, isn't it? So immediately what did I do? I took her oil. She had a massaging oil. So I took her massaging oil and I just applied to her feet, to her legs. I applied because she has pain in her leg. So I applied that oil. I massaged her leg. I can say that I massaged her leg with the massaging oil. मेरी मालिश से उन्हें बहुत आराम मिला. So because I massaged her leg, she was so happy. She had relief in her legs. She had a pain relief in her leg. उन्होंने प्यार से मुझे गले लगा लिया. So immediately what she did, she was so happy because her pain also had relieved, So she was so happy with her granddaughter. She just hugged her granddaughter. She hugged her. मैं भी खुशी से दादी से लिपट गई और मेरी आंखों में खुशी के आंसू आ गए. So even I was so happy. Even I started embracing my grandmother, and immediately what happened? Tears started coming out from my eyes because of happiness. She was happy now. See how much actually grandmother is taking care of my mother. Mother is not well. So grandmother has taken the in charge of completing all the household work on that day. Though she was not well, though grandmother is also not well, because when they become old, what happens? Definitely they will have one or the other pains. Even in that pain, what did she do? She has taken care of all the household work on that particular day, no? So this child felt very happy, and even child hugged the grandmother. So here, and then she started getting tears. That was for happiness. Tears were for happiness. उस दिन से मैं भी हर रोज सुबह दादा दादी के साथ पार्क में सैर के लिए जाने लगी. So from that day onwards, from the next day onwards, what did I do? I too started going for walk along with my grandparents. Grandparents were going for a morning walk, so even I started going with them for the morning walk. That's what this child is experiencing and saying. Okay. So now let us see once again. I'll read it. Look into the book. अम्मा की बातें सुनकर मुझे अपनी सोच पर बहुत पछतावा हुआ. मैं सीधा दादी के कमरे में गई. दादी के पैरों में दर्द हो रहा था. वे करहा रही थी. मैं दादी के पास गई और बड़े प्यार से उनके पैरों की तेल से मालिश की. मेरी मालिश से उन्हें बहुत आराम मिला. उन्होंने प्यार से मुझे गले लगा लिया. मैं भी खुशी से दादी से लिपट गई और मेरी आंखों में खुशी के आंसू आ गए. उस दिन से मैं भी हर रोज सुबह दादा दादी के साथ पार्क में सैर के लिए जाने लगी. So children, at home also you have to take care of your elders. So you should not go on pressurizing them that I want this, I want that, and all those things, no? Because they also have got their own work. They'll be busy in their own work, so you should not trouble them. And whatever they do, it is for your good. So you have to take in positive way, and you should also love and care the elders at home. You should respect them, you should obey them, and you should always develop good manners. So that's the end of the lesson. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.